In this video, I'll show you how to use favorite component templates and favorite page templates in Tumpixel. This feature allows you to save templates that you like or frequently use for client projects, so they can be accessed quickly at any time. As the template library continues to grow, keeping your favorite templates organized can significantly speed up your website building workflow. To get started, open the App Store and navigate to Component Templates. This section contains ready-made sections and blocks that can be used across many different types of websites. Open any template you'd like to save and click Add to Favorites. Once added, the template will become part of your personal favorites collection for faster access in future projects. We'll do the same for single-page templates. These are complete page layouts that are especially useful when you want to quickly start with a landing page or a fully designed page structure. After saving your favorite templates, return to the website editor and open the Components tab. Then scroll down to the Your Favorite Templates section. Here you'll find two separate categories: Component Templates and Single Page Templates. This area contains all the templates you've previously saved as favorites. When hovering over a template, you'll see quick actions such as Apply Template, View Template, and Delete. These shortcuts allow you to manage and use templates without having to return to the App Store. If you'd like to preview a template before using it, click the eye icon. Previewing helps ensure that you're selecting the right template for your project. Now let's use a component template from the favorites list. There are two main ways to do this. The first method is clicking Apply Template. When used this way, the component is automatically inserted at the bottom of the current page's main section. This is the fastest approach when you simply want to add new content to the page. However, the more common approach is to drag and drop the template directly into the desired position within layer navigation. This gives you precise control over where the component appears on the page. Next, we'll use a single page template from the favorites list. If you're not sure whether it's the right one, you can click View Template to preview it first. Unlike component templates, single-page templates cannot be dragged into the editor. To use one, you need to click Apply Template. When you perform this action, the system displays a confirmation dialog. It explains that applying the page template will overwrite the current page content and settings. If you agree, click Confirm to continue. This step helps prevent accidental replacement of existing page content. After confirmation, the page template is applied almost instantly. The entire layout and template content will appear on the current page. Even though you're starting from a predefined template, every element can still be customized to fit your project's needs. This allows you to work faster while maintaining complete design flexibility. Favorite templates may seem like a simple feature, but they can greatly improve your workflow. By saving the templates you use most often, you can standardize your process, build websites faster, and save valuable time on future projects.